Hellcat.
Hey guys, happy Mother's Day. I miss you all. I hope that you're doing great. I haven't really sit and chit chat with you guys, but I want to do an unboxing video. It's going to be a BOXYCHARM Premium 2 Ipsys. I want to just combine it all together. So I just want to make this video for this month because I haven't done this subscription for a long time. This one is BOXYCHARM Premium. It's only one box and I have two Ipsys. I believe it's the ultimate ones and they have different ages. I believe some of these are like either in my teens and some are like in the late 20s and 30s. I just want to share with you guys what I got, and I hope to be coming here more often, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe down below, and I love y'all so much. This tweezer to cut my boxes. So I'm gonna start with this one because there's two right now with the ultimate. I sprayed Lysol because you guys know that this crazy virus going on right now. So whenever I get a box, I have to spray with Lysol. I have like this prepared as well. So this is the Maze Ipsy 2020. I'm actually in love with the bag. I might keep it to myself because sometimes I give this stuff away. This month's is Get That Glow. Okay, let's get into the box. So the first thing I have is the Smashbox Cover Shot Ablaze Eye Palette, which looks like that. It's really pretty, but there's more like cool tones in there. The bright ones I'm looking at is the middle one right here. And I'm sorry if my camera doesn't do its justice. Like I always film on my phone. Here is this one. It's like a more glittery shade. Sometimes I sell these products as well through Facebook, BOXYCHARM, buy and sell, something like that. So if you guys are into these type of stuff, like, you know, go to the Facebook and research BOXYCHARM buy, sell, and trade, because I really sell this for like affordable price. The only reason why I do this because sometimes I don't need the makeup and I like to have like some extra cash, and it's beneficial for me because, like, you know, with the stuff going on right now, I have a lot of makeup. Like, guys, I would show you my makeup collection. I might do that next time since I'm coming back on YouTube, you know. What's the price for that? No, I think this time they don't really show. Oh no, but I will list the eyeshadow palette, the price right here, and all the items so you guys know how much they are. How they usually show the prices on these products, but they don't really do that right now. But I want to share with you guys this bag first. Like this, you know, it's so pretty in the inside. It has like that confetti inside and this like little ruffle thing. I'm in love with this bag. I kind of want to keep it to myself. Era brush. This is in 5 pieces. But it's really pretty. I know these brushes are very high quality, so that's really cool. I got is the Pure Heals Pore Clear Black Charcoal. I'm kind of thinking of keeping this to myself because I've been really taking care of my skin, and you guys know how expensive skincare can be. So this is the Purely's Pore Clear Black Charcoal. These type of products are really good, and honestly, this is from Korea. So Korean brands are always like on top with their stuff. The next one I got is the Beautiful Factor Water Jam Cleansing Gel Balm. So it balances the skin and empowers the natural shrink. It's all cruelty free. Yep. It's made in New York, actually. It's really cool. I want to see how it looks like. Oh no, it's sealed. Okay, it looks like that. It's like a kind of like a gel. I think this is nice when you put on this and this together, because this one is like oil. You could probably put this like for a moisturizer. This is all about skincare. I love skincare. That's why like I chose skincare as an option. Golden Faden MD. This brand is really like good, honestly. It's like dermatologist tested. It's like not into those dark circle stuff. This is like your kid right here. This is really good brand.
Golden Fathom Bright Eyes Dark Circles Radiance Concentrate. So Dr. Golden Fathom Advanced Ultra Light Brighten Eye Cream to help reduce the appearance of under eye darkness, puffiness, and fine lines.
Packaging is always nice. Oh, it's so cute. I don't know if this is like a full... So the next thing I've got here are 2 eyeliners from Ardelle. Liquid eyeliner. I kind of need eyeliners. Oh, this is nice. They gave me a brown and a black, so that's really neat. And then the next one I got is Sundays. Oh, it's a nail polish, you guys. Oh, this is cute. I've been needing new nail polishes, but we'll see. One is the Cake Natural Luxe Beauty Milk Maid. So this one is for your beautifying oat milk. But yeah, I have to do my research on this one. This one is this Derm Medicine Weightless Face Moisturizer SPF 25. So it's a face moisturizer. Keeping this one. As you get older, skincare is just everything more than makeup sometimes. Like recently. So this one, ooh, it's so cute. So this one is the Kismet Buff Sugar Lip Scrub. Ooh. I just want to smell it if it has like some scent to it. Ooh. I don't want to open it because I don't know. I might keep this to myself, but I just like coughed on this. I don't know if I should do that. The next thing right here is the Ciate London. Ooh, this is like a high drip lip oil, but it looks like you couldn't use it as a lip gloss a little bit. That's really cool. Okay, I'm debating on keeping this on to myself. It's pretty. I don't have one. I had one before and I sold it. But, ooh. Oh shoot, that's so pretty. I don't know if I should. But do I really need it? Like, do I love this. Like, so pretty. Oh my god. I love Huda Beauty products too. They're really cute. I'm so debating on keeping it, but I'm not sure. This together though for the lip thing and the scrub together. Like, I'm guessing this box is like more of like a skincare, just because I feel like there's only one makeup in here and a lot of skincare, which I like, honestly. This like bag, I don't know why, but it's just screaming to me like. So I'm gonna share with you guys another one. This is the second. What the hell is my tweezer? That's what. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is the Saint Tropica Beach Goddess Hot Oil Hair Mask. Ooh, I kind of need this for my hair because some parts of my hair there's like a bald spot. So if this one will help me with my hair growth, then that will be amazing. It's a powerful formula of world-renowned hair superfoods paired with heat of oil treatment, delivering bombshell results every time for stronger. Oh, okay, thicker hair, luxury. Okay, I might keep this to myself just because I've been desperate for some products for my hair to try to see if it will work. Some thickening, like in this spot here. I mean, my hair is growing good. Just my head in general, there's some bald. Like, that's why I have a headband on. The Shadow Palette from Laura Geller. I've noticed about this brand, just like from TJ Maxx or Marshalls or something like that. I always see them in there. The only reason why I have like these tweezers, because I'm so bad at opening anything. Like, I don't want to ruin any box because I'm selling this online. That's nice. Like a cheek palette. I like it. It's cute. It has like a shimmer and highlight in here. Bronzer. It's like a to-go-to palette. So if you want to use this as an eyeshadow palette, I don't mind actually. Because you can actually make it work. You can use this as like a transition. A highlight on your brow bone. You can use this like in your inner corner. You can use this like maybe right here, you know, bronzer. So the same one is Pore Clear Black Charcoal. So it's the same one, right? This one is the Beautiful Factor. Same one. This one is the the Perfume. Ooh, I got a perfume. Oh, that's what's up. Let me see. It's not like I need any more. I don't really use that much perfumes. I'm more like a body mist kind of girl. Oh. Ooh. Smells really nice. So this one, I always get this. This is the Sugar Rush Tarte Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Ooh, this one is in Cupcake. I love my nudes. Ooh, I haven't heard of this. It's really cute. I don't want to open it because, again, I'm selling this online. I like to make things really brand new and untouched. I always like sanitize, wash my hands too, Lysol, so that when they get it, you know, they feel like it's secured, no virus. Box so far is this one because I have the Huda Beauty. This one is the Radiant Glow Highlighter EB. Oh, I've had this one last time. I had the eyeshadow palette, which I also sold. I want to show the flash into this because it's so much prettier in person. Same one. I love my skincare. It's like they know me. Ooh, this one's really popular. This one is the Murad Renewing Eye Cream. This one is very, very expensive. I know that's like probably like 60 bucks. Hydrate. Renewing Eye Cream firms and invisible, reduce dark circles and wrinkles. Another eyeliner. Same one. This one is in Coffee, Cafe, and Night Noche. Really cute. Vigorating Hand and Body Lotion. Is it really body lotion? It's weird. Same one. The lip Thingamajig. Seattle, London. And I think that's it. Above all of this one, I like the first one that I just showed you guys. Definitely. And then the next one is the BOXYCHARM Premium with this brand for over almost 3 years, 3 or 4 years. I love BOXYCHARM. I'm never gonna be like disappointed with them just because I love their brand a lot. So yay, another one. Let me guess what's this one. Oh, it's the same one, I think. Right, so I don't know if I should keep it to myself, but we need that money, unfortunately. It's like you want to keep some of these products, but like I can't because I really need the money for this. That's why I have this for a reason. Sometimes I keep them to myself. Mostly the skincare I keep, and then the makeup I just sell from time to time. But yeah, I know this is like about $30-something, this brand. I mean the price. They didn't give me any card, so I'm very disappointed what it's gonna be. So I don't have any like, well, Ipsy has. That's one thing I love about Ipsy. They always have this prepared for you. But BOXYCHARM, sometimes they're like very on and off. So this BOXYCHARM Premium is the same one that I got from the last box, like variation. This one is Kat Von D 24-hour super brow long wear pomade. I have a pomade. I always love my Anastasia. And then I got the Milk Makeup Lip Tint. It's in the shade Flare. The other BOXYCHARM I got is Glimmer. It's the only different shades I've had. You guys can tell like the shade difference on these two. This one I got in dark brown. This one medium brown pomade. I'm kind of debating on keeping one. Not really sure. BOXYCHARM that I had was this one, Purely's. So then I got the Skin and CO. This one is in Pony, both. But overall, those are the stuff, and the total are always in here. So yeah, thank you guys. Hopefully you guys like this unboxing. Let me know in the comments like if your variation is kind of somewhat the same for me, or what your thoughts about this month. I think I'm more disappointed on BOXYCHARM than Ipsy. It's like I was debating on canceling Ipsy a long time ago because they've been kind of disappointing my mind, like their products. But I feel like this time it's like, you know, it's not too bad. You can't really get a win-win situation on these brands just because like they'll surprise you sometimes in goods or bad. So yeah, but thank you so much for coming in here and stopping by if you're still here, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon. Peace.
Mamacita, mamacita, qué bonita. Mamacita.